Hi friends, welcome to our channel The Travelism. Allah la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. Allah, there is no day except to Him, the ever living of sustainer of all existence.
Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. Allah, there is no deity except to Him, the ever living of sustainer of all the existence.
Hi,
Shakatra.
dear friends. Today, first of all, I am saying about a curry. That is 40 or 50 years ago, my father told it to my mother. That is lady's finger curry. The ingredients: lady's finger, that is bendaka, then green chili, then curry leaves. First of all, mustard fry, then this green chili, put it there, then stir it. Then next, these small pieces of lady's finger, that is vendaka, put there. Then curry leaves also. Then stir for a short time. After 10 minutes, this stove off. Fry well. Then next, stove off. Then next time, the bowl take some curd in it and sprinkle some salt in it. Then stir this curd. Then at last, this lady's finger, that is vendaka, put into that curd. Then 1 or 2 times stir it. After 2 minutes, you can use it. Because this curry I have taken to my college. At that time, in my college life, then my friends told me that they didn't have taken this curry before. It was very tasty. Easy to make, and prepare it in your own kitchen. Have you heard that? അമ്പലപ്പുഴ പാൽപ്പായസം അവിടുത്തെ അടുക്കളയിൽ തന്നെ വെക്കുന്നതാണ് നല്ലത്. അതിനാണ് കൂടുതൽ ടേസ്റ്റ്. അതുപോലെ prepare it in your own kitchen and it will make more tasty. Okay. Then I am saying about a trip done to Vadodara. Almost with my husband, we went in this trip 2016 May, because he is not well and his brother is also not well. They settled in Vadodara and I decided to live there 1 month, and they lived 1 month. They are very happily. Then we returned back. This time, almost May, we returned. July 5th, he expired. Then the same thing happened in Vadodara. That is, his brother also died after 2nd month in September. Now I cleared that the relationship with them, because always they acted as twins. They also acted as twins, and അത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിരുന്നു. അവർ അത്രമേൽ അടുപ്പമായിരുന്നു. And next I am saying about the trip gone to Vadodara. That was in 2003 for the marriage of Simi Anand, and we participated in a Gujarati, that is this marriage. And on eve of that day, some priests came there and they told about this Professor Joseph Patikal, a retired English professor from Banaras University, that is the father of Anand, Simi's husband. And they told that 40 or 50 years ago, this family, that is particular family, gave treat to them, and it was so sweet. That is, at that time, only a few families there. So, such a reception to them was very sweet. Then, after on that day, on the time of marriage, that next day we wanted to see Kutch and Bhuj. We entered Kutch. That is, do you have heard that about the earthquake happened years back? And we entered a building. That building was cracked, and they told that there are full of people in these buildings, and now they evacuate. And we saw that in that building crack, and they said that this is Kutch. Really I shocked. എന്താണെന്നെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ കേട്ടിരുന്നു ഈ ധാരാളമായിട്ട് ഈ കച്ച് ഭുജ് എന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലെ എർത്ത് കുറിച്ചിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ആ സ്ഥലത്താണ് ഞങ്ങൾ നിൽക്കുന്നതെന്ന ധാരണ ഒരു വല്ലാത്തൊരു ഭയം എന്നിൽ ഉളവാക്കി. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ ആ സ്ഥലങ്ങളൊക്കെ സന്ദർശിച്ചു. പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ അക്കോമഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്തത് ദി ഫ്ലെമിംഗോസ് എന്ന ഹോട്ടലിലെ സൂട്ടിലായിരുന്നു. ഈ സൂട്ടിൻ്റെ പ്രത്യേകത 2 റൂമുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. എൻട്രൻസിൽ ഹാവിങ് ഫുഡ് or we can call our friends and take a rest. Then next bedroom, it is only for sleep. That is suit. Then we returned. After the marriage we returned. Then next time, that is almost 2 years ago, I went to Bombay by flight, and Simi's sister Simi, her husband Sunil pick up from the airport. And next day we went to Vadodara by car from Bombay to Vadodara. Almost 5 or 6 hours are enough to reach there. Sunil drove the car, and in one toll plaza there is a trailer came opposite direction, and we wait for 3 hours there. So, then we continue our travel. Reached at morning 7 o'clock we started our journey, but we reached Vadodara at 5 o'clock because of this breakdown. Then from there, after 4 days, we went to Gandhidham next time also. This time the family is really very helpful. Particular family is very helpful and very warm reception. They are ready to give a warm reception to all their friends and their relatives. Okay, and this time for the birthday party of Aaron arranged in a 5-star hotel. Almost sometimes they will arrange it there, and besides this, for the happiness of myself, arranged it in the 5-star hotel. And the peculiarity of this star hotel, do you know that almost 40 or 50 rooms and swimming pool, and besides this some other facilities also. Then only get the 5-star grade. And it was the well arranged the party. Lunch was there, almost 40-50 items. Soup, juice, then different dishes, sweets, like this. And we enjoyed the party, returned to Kerala. That is the trip this time. Almost three times we have visited this Gandhidham and Vadodara also. Then from there I took a sari, this sari from Mandavi, Vadodara. I have almost a collection of saris from different states. Then I enjoyed it. Okay, it was a nice trip. Whenever I go there, it was a nice trip. Enjoyed. Thank you.